morning, you guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 4. Before I get into anything, do not come for me for being in the exact same clothes as I was last night. I've been filming these vlogs throughout the day, and then usually once Quinn goes to bed, that's when I start editing. Moving forward, I'm gonna try to be proactive and edit little parts here and there during the day, just so that I don't have such late nights. But honestly, I kind of get into a weird flow state at night. I work really well at night. I just then am pretty tired the next morning. But even then, I feel like I'm better off with less sleep than I am with more sleep. Like, I feel like if I have 8, 9, 10 hours of sleep, I'm more groggy than I am when I have maybe 6 or 7. Anyway, you guys, welcome back to another video. For those that don't know me, my name is Nairee, and I am doing Vlogmas, which means that I'm posting a daily vlog every day for the month of December. Now, based off of my very lengthy to-do list, there is a lot going on today, which is perfect because, like I was saying yesterday, I feel kind of bad when my days are the exact same routine, which most of them are. But again, I knew that throughout this very busy month, there were going to be days where there's just little things here and there. So I will, of course, take you along with me. To start off today, I have to schedule yesterday's vlog and very quickly put together a thumbnail. And then I have a couple of other deliverables to schedule right away so that I can then go on with my day. I have to get a couple of content briefs sent to companies, as well as some captions to approve. Then I need to build a concept, film a concept, and send a concept out for approval. The girls have their Christmas concert today, and then I also have to do my December giveaways. I'm gonna do a little bit of work, and then I think we're gonna go for a walk and then get into our work day. Gesundheit.
Morning.
Good morning. How was your meeting?
Good.
Good.
Were you up late?
Yeah.
How late? What time?
1:30.
Oh wow. Just editing?
Yeah.
Vlogmas has begun.
Vlogmas has begun, that's for sure. You actually woke up when I came back to bed, but obviously you didn't wake up.
Why? What did I say?
You didn't say anything, but you just you turned over and then you opened your eyes and then you looked at me and I'm like, hi. I came out of the bathroom again and you were gone.
A long time.
Yeah.
So,
Okay, we should walk the dude?
yes. I've got a meeting in an hour and a half, so.
All right, let's do it. Time for a walk. Well, if there's one thing that this Vlogmas is gonna help me become better at, it's time management. It takes me so much longer to do all of my day-to-day things with the camera just because I have to go with the setup and then the battery's dead and then I have to make sure the SD card is formatted, etc., etc. There's so much more to consider. And because of that, I just have to manage my time so much better. Anyway, it is just past 12:15. The girls have their school Christmas show today at 12:45 and my sister just called. She said that parking is absolutely insane. So I'm gonna get going. But before I do that, I wanted to give you a quick little OOTD. I have been living in this outfit lately. This sweater is the Peggy sweater from Aritzia. I got it in a size extra large because I did want it very oversized. You guys know that I love all of my clothing to just literally drown me. I don't know why, but it's definitely when I am the most comfortable. Then I paired it with these cargo parachute pants from Crop Shop Boutique. These have also become a very recent staple in my wardrobe. They are super oversized. They're super comfortable, super lightweight. And then for shoes, I have these clogs from Browns, and I'm really glad that I got them. They're honestly super comfortable, and I'm a big fan. Perfect for this kind of fall, winter transitionary phase. But yes, anyway, that's the OOTD. Let's go. brought in these packages and we're gonna do a little unboxing. And then Quinn, since you're the only live audience, you can give me a live reaction, okay?
Back to your reaction?
Yeah, because you don't know what it is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, so the first thing is a present, which I already showed you. But it's a present. Yeah, I did show you. It's a present for my Secret Santa. And I know that some of my Secret Santa girls in that group chat, you know who you are, watch my videos. So if you are in our Muscle Mommy group chat, in our Secret Santa exchange, this right here is your chance to skip forward like 30 seconds. But you don't think they would actually stay and keep watching. I'm not gonna say who I have. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe it will actually give it away. I also feel like the person that I have would not skip, so never mind. We are not gonna show that. But the other two things I can show. First thing is my outfit for the Taylor Swift tour. We are going to the Eras concert this weekend and I have been scrambling for an outfit. I found a dress that I think I will like. I got this dress from Princess Polly. It's a little bubble dress. I'm not gonna show it to you on, but I will give you a little reveal. Okay, ready, Quincy?
This is the dress.
This is the dress. Oh, she's short. Wow, was this meant for a 12-year-old?
It might work.
I do actually think it's pretty cute. I do really have to hang it up in the shower or something to make this all fluffy. And I'm gonna have to wear some serious shorts under. I don't think this was meant for...
cargo? What kind of material is that? It looks like almost like either swimming shorts or cargo.
Kind of, yeah. It is kind of like cargo parachute pants. It's supposed to have that because it's supposed to be like a bubble dress with bubble, like this bubble kind of effect. Cool. But anyway, okay, I'm gonna try this.
It's a cool color.
I think it'll be pretty cute.
Like a matted type of color.
I'm gonna try this on, off camera. You guys do not get to see that on until the weekend. This stuff you can see. Okay, so I ordered a bunch of Taylor Swift stuff for the concert. We are going with my younger cousin and my niece. I'm making them goodie bags for the concert. So I have some tattoos, just like Taylor Swift, because she always had it on her hand during all of her concert. Some tattoos. Then I got, look at how cute these are. They're butterfly hair clips, so they can clip them in their long hair, and then they have cute little butterflies. That's so adorable. Then, what do you think these are?
I don't know, rhinestone to put on their face?
Yes, face and hair. We're probably just gonna do the hair, but that's that. And this is a birthday card that I got from my auntie.
Nice.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, no, 2 days late. But this is the most exciting.
Shoes? Boots, cowboy boots.
Yeah, for Maya. Oh my God. That's pretty cute.
Those are great.
That's so...
Are those gonna fit?
Yep.
Nice.
I think so. I made sure my mom measured her foot. You are kidding.
They look like they've gotta be big.
They do look kind of big, but honestly, it's kind of deceiving. We measured her foot. And... Oh my God, these are so cute. That is ridiculous. She's gonna love these. Yeah. Like, she has no idea that I ordered these for her, and I wasn't even sure if they were gonna get here in time, but...
When are you surprising her?
We should probably make sure that they do actually fit, so I'll probably go over there in the next couple of days, maybe. That's so cute. And then these, I'm gonna put together their bags for them, and that I probably won't give them until the day that we leave.
Very fun.
Wow, successful haul. I'm gonna try this on, fingers crossed it works. And then I'm gonna add these to the girls' goodie bags. I'm gonna organize this stuff, and then I am gonna do, I think, a really quick little mini home reset because we have some laundry to do. I wanna tidy up our bathrooms, take care of this living room a little bit as well, just to feel a little bit more settled. And then I've got some more work to do, and then that just about wraps up the day. have a couple more things to do very, very briefly on my computer, and then I think I'm actually gonna clock out of this video. Now, the first thing I have to do is make a post in my school community. I think I mentioned my community a couple of videos ago, but in case you don't know what it is, I basically made a private community. Think of it as like a private Facebook page where girls and women navigating their fitness journey can basically just find a space to connect with like-minded people. It's still very early days. There's currently 35 members, and I'm still trying to figure out exactly where I want to take this. I post my daily workouts, recipes, some motivational snippets. I also really want to do things like monthly summits and Google Meet events. I'm currently planning the first group workout, but for now I'm just going to update the page with the workout that we did today, which was a little bit of back and biceps in the gym. And then the next thing that I have to do, more so get to do, is pick not one but 2 winners for my November giveaways. Follow me on Instagram. You will know things have been so incredibly crazy in the month of November. As a content creator, it is obviously my job to push brands during that Black Friday, Cyber Monday time. It can honestly be a super hectic and overwhelming time on socials, but again, as a content creator, it's my job. But anyway, I really wanted to do a little something extra for you guys and for your support. Obviously, I never want you guys to feel any pressure to purchase anything that I promote or to feel like you have to use my support links or codes. You watching this video, you interacting with the content that I post is honestly support enough. But for those that did choose to use my support links or discount codes during the month of November, I have entered them all into a giveaway. There's one general one for the month of November that includes all of the brands that I work with. And then I made one specifically for the Honor Active Black Friday sale. Honor Active usually doesn't give their athletes any promo codes, but during Black Friday, we had an additional discount code as well as our support link. And because I'm the biggest fan of Honor Active, and I know a lot of you guys are as well, I really wanted to make an additional giveaway with an additional $100 as well as some extra little goodies for those that use my support link or my code. So after I close up this video, I'm gonna put all of the names into the wheel of names and then pick my 2 main winners along with a couple of other sub winners that will get some very special packages in the mail very, very soon. You'll probably get more details about this in the next couple of days because I'm gonna bring you guys along with me behind the scenes. But yeah, that is my little to-do list. Once I get that done, then I am basically done for the day. With all of that being said, I think I'm gonna close out today's video right here. Once again, I really, really appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate your support. I hope you've been enjoying the vlog so far. Again, I have been trying to make sure there is a little bit of variety just so every single vlog isn't the exact same. As always, I appreciate the heck out of you for being here, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye. Another day, another vlog. Bye.